In this section, we'll cover the second workshop in the Integrating Equity module, the Reflect workshop. And in this workshop, the objectives are to help the team reflect where it stands with regards to equity today, and then establish a baseline of where equity is integrated into their existing strategies or bodies of work. And then we'll determine how to better integrate equity into their planning process and resulting strategies by helping to identify a handful of actions that the team can carry forward. So this second workshop builds upon some of the ideas that would have been generated in the first workshop, where the team will have started discussing those ideas and making the connections between equity concepts and their own work. And then in this Reflect workshop, we'll be digging deeper with them as they start to think about their own work and identify those areas where equity is at play or where there may be inequities that they can address. So this workshop is mural based, as you can see. So here I have opened up the mural so you can see what that looks like. This is the workshop number 2, Reflect mural. That comes with the module materials. And it follows that flow of the workshop. So getting everybody on the same page, developing a baseline of where they are today with equity in their work, then identifying those actions, picking out a handful to work on, and then closing out the workshop. As you can see, as in the previous case, there's areas where you see these pink circles, and these are areas for pre-work. So these need to be completed before the workshop starts. And that's areas where you need to input work, either as a facilitator or after your conversations with the planning lead. So let's take a closer look at this mural, and I'll walk you through each section of these, setting the stage, developing a baseline, identifying those action areas, mapping the actions, and then getting some module feedback and closing out the workshop.